How to make fried cauliflower rice with whole mushrooms and turkey sausages. For our ingredients, we will use 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, red bell pepper, garlic, turkey sausages, onions, and spring onions. We also use cooking oil, cauliflower rice, and mushrooms. Now let's put cooking oil in the heated pan. Then put the whole mushrooms and stir it very well. Now it's time to remove the mushroom in the pan. Put it in the bowl. Put the pan back. And put some oil. Let's put now the garlic, the onion, red bell pepper, and then the turkey sausages, and stir it very well. Then put the cauliflower rice and stir it again. Add the oyster sauce, and then add a little water. And lastly, the whole mushrooms. And stir it very well. This is our finished product. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Bye!